Hello guys, this one another video that I want to show you all sauce that we find here, especially coming one friend. Hello buddy, hello buddy. Well, we find I will show you the old sauce that we find here in Georgia. We try some sauce from here, like I'm making here for see the testing and if it's something similar to the Thai, because here so hard to find product from Thailand, no, different than other countries in Ukraine, Albania, Armenia we find it, but here it's so hard. I hope that you like the video, okay? And see you later, guys. And well, comment to me if you want, and give me a like, and the same subscribe if you not subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you later. Bye bye. Well, review for all these sauce. My sauce here and Asia sauce. This one is rice vinaigrette. Should be said no, it's for sushi, but I use it for sushi. I mix it with sugar and tasting nice for the sushi, but it's really strong because in the vinaigrette is like the western vinaigrette have different kind of vinaigrettes, and then the rice too. As one vinaigrette is for sushi, another vinaigrette maybe for cook or salad, I don't know. But this one is really strong, but not so bad. It's the most cheapest one that we find here, because I have another one, but it's maybe 25 or 34% more than this price, and it's more small bottle, and said it's for sushi, but this one not so bad. This one is the oyster or sauce that we find here. Is the same, it's the most cheapest one and it's bigger. Exists another one more little like this, but more expensive. This one more cheap and it's more bigger, but not tasting good at all. I don't know, I think I miss most the flavor of the oyster we try in another countries, another oyster sauce, and it's better. This one I think is the most bad that we try, but not so bad for the price, but it's more liquid, no, not so good. Actually, I think I don't buy more. One is soy sauce that we find here. This soy sauce is saying a little strong, it's really salty, and I mix it with water for calm down the salty, but it's still really strong flavor. For sushi not good, because the soy sauce for sushi is more light, and this one is really strong. Maybe for fried rice or something like this coming good, but not so good too. It's the most cheapest one that we find here for the side, and if you're planning to use it for fried rice it's okay, but for another kind of thing I don't recommend it, okay? No, fish sauce. This one is a fish sauce, say that it's from Thailand, are good, but the same, the flavor is a little lighter, but we find better in another country, and here in Georgia is the only one that we find actually this fish oil that this brand is light, it's salty a lot, the fish testing is a little missing, but it's the only way that you have here, and not so bad for be the only way that you have. You find only this side. It's a little expensive because you can buy one of these, maybe one of the biggest one they show you, but no exist more big. It's only this side, but you can live with this, okay? Not so bad. One of the best that we find here is a sesame hot, they call it, but it's like a sour and sweet. It's really good. This one is really good. and I think it's the best. It's a little spicy, and it's the most spicy. The another one that you find, the sour and sweet that they call the this one is the best. It's really good. Actually, this brand is that you find here a lot, and I recommend it 100%. It's so good. Spicy and say very hot, but not hot at all. It's a Georgian spicy, and we tried to see when I saw the bottle. I say, oh, it's like a Tabasco. No, it's totally different. It's more like a tomato ketchup. It's not good at all. It's the testing really fade the flavor. Not so good actually. It's so cheap, but I don't recommend it. This one is easy to find here. You can find even in a small supermarket, or the another one you find only in the big ones. This one in the small supermarket is from Vietnam. It's so good. It's like a maki in Thailand. They use something that they call maki. It's for putting the egg, the fried egg. This one is almost the same. It's very good. It's a hard flavor, but the people that try maki in Thailand or in Asia, you know how is the testing, and it's good. It's good. This one I recommend it. It's so cheap here too. This was another soy sauce that we buy because the previous one not tasting good, and we try with this one. This one, you see the bottle is so nice because you can drop it from here, and we see this guy, and we thinking they are Japanese but not Chinese, and almost all the sauce here are from China because I have living a lot of China people here, and the tasting the same, so salty and strong flavor. But if you compare this one with that, with this, I prefer this, and the price with this is a little almost the same that this amount, but this one better quality. This one is a wasabi paste that we find because before we use one that is hot powder, you put water and mix it, and it's something like a wasabi paste, but the powder no good, so chemical. This one too is a lot of chemical, but not so bad. This wasabi paste not so bad. It's fake because you can see, but not so bad. One more thing here we find is that I really surprised with the mayo here. The mayo, I tried different brands. This one is one of the brands, but I try another one and are really good. The mayo, even the cheapest one, are really good, really tasting, and look like a hot made mayo. Are really good actually. I love it. But well, guys, here I show you all my collection, and I travel with all these guys. These one are my partners. I travel for places with these guys. This one now we have a lot because we have a lot of time in this country, but normally I travel with 3. And well, guys, if you like the video, and if you want more review about this, or you have any question, put it in the comments and I will respond you. This one is the sauce that I find here, and I don't find more. I find another one kinda, it's more like a Chinese, I don't know so much. This one is Chinese, but I have approached to Thailand, Bye bye.